What's going on, everybody? It's me, Brian D here, and one question that I always get a lot on my Nameless Performance Muffler Delete video is how bad is the drone? Now, I've replied to your comments and all of that, so hopefully I answered the question, but this video is going to be just that. Seeing how the drone is from the inside of the car and seeing how much noise that it'll have there. Now keep in mind, when I drive, especially on like the freeway and stuff, I do cruise around 70, not 60, 70 miles per hour, 75 miles per hour. So at that, I'm not going like, I'm not sending it, right? I'm not going any more than like 2,500 RPMs, at most 3,000. Unless someone like cuts me off and stuff. But yeah, so this is just like a 70 mile per hour cruise of the muffler delete. So hopefully the mic can pick it up, and I hope this video answers your question about how bad the drone is. I'm not completely sure how long this video is gonna be. It's probably gonna be about like 5 minutes. But yeah, I'll let you know if I'm like stepping on it or anything like that. So 70 miles per hour cruising. I'm just cruising on the freeway. Now I'm gonna push down a little bit just so that you guys can see like if you're sending it, right? Because this is for the NA. So if you're sending it, this is what it's gonna sound like from the inside of the cabin. I was about till 5,000 RPMs at 80 miles per hour from where I was before. So. So yeah, that was me. I'm not like full throttle, foot to the ground, but it was kind of there. I got it to 5,000 RPMs. So yeah, that's what that would sound like. Now I'm just going back to my cruising 70 miles per hour. I do have to say, from my experience with the car, the loudest part would be, or the loudest your car will get for me, or yeah, in my opinion, not for me. In my opinion, the loudest the car will get is about at 1,900, 2,000 RPMs after, let's say after like third gear, fourth gear. I don't know. Yeah. That'll be the loudest it'll get. Like you'll get the sharp, like you'll get that sharpness from it. I guess that's how I would explain it. But if you want that like that loud rumble, it's not the Subaru rumble, but if you want that loud rumble, 2,000 RPMs that's where you'll find that. yeah, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope this video answered your question about the drone of the Nameless Performance Muffler Delete. Remember, this is for the 2.5i's, so the NA versions, not the turbos. Okay, no XTs, just for the NAs. But yeah, I hope that answers your question, and I hope this video helped you out. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button for more, and I will catch you guys next time.